everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change SoundCloud password. Now to do that, open the SoundCloud application first. You can see here I am currently logged in into my account. Now if you go to your profile, for that tap on the library on the bottom, then tap on the profile icon on the top right. You will see that there is no particular option of changing your password. So what you can do over here is you can tap on sign out, tap on OK. This will get you signed out from your SoundCloud account. Now here on this home page, you tap on I already have an account, tap that. And on this page over here, you need to tap on forgot your password. Tap on it. It will direct you to this page over here. Here you need to type in and provide your email address. And then tap on reset my password. With this, a mail will be sent to the email address of yours for you to reset or change the SoundCloud password. Now you need to go and check your mail. There's the SoundCloud mail on the top. Tap upon that. And here you need to tap on the here with the blue color font. Tap that. It will direct you to this page where you will be able to type in a new password for your SoundCloud. Type in the new password over here. Retype the same password on the below text box for the confirmation, and then you need to save these changes. Tap on save. This will change your SoundCloud password. So this is how you can change your SoundCloud password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.